Purchase Management in FullStro. Welcome to the Purchase Management tutorial for FullStro. This guide will walk you through the features and processes for effectively managing purchases in your FullStro account. You'll learn how to list, add, edit, delete, show, cancel, receive purchases, apply filters, and manage the trash list. The purchase list allows you to view all recorded purchases in your system. Navigate to the Purchases section in your dashboard. Click on Purchase from the menu. This table shows your purchase number, warehouse, supplier, date, total amount, total product, missing items, return items, status, and actions. Use the search bar to find specific purchases by ID, supplier name, or warehouse name. Add new purchase. Adding a new purchase recording details about the purchase products, suppliers, quantities, and batching information. Steps to add a purchase. Click the Add New button. Fill in the required fields. Date, supplier. Select a supplier from the drop-down. Warehouse, products. Search product or scan barcode. After selecting the product, add purchase info, batch, expiration date, quantity, buying, price, and selling price. Notes. Add any special notes or instructions. Click on the Submit button to add a new purchase. Edit purchase. Editing a purchase allows you to update details after it has been created. Steps to edit a purchase. Go to the purchase list. Locate the purchase you want to edit and click the Edit button. Update the necessary details. Change the supplier, products, or quantities. Modify the order date or notes. Simply save your changes by clicking on the Submit button. Show purchase details. Viewing a purchase allows you to see all its details, including the purchase number, supplier details, warehouse, product details, and many more. Steps to view purchase details. Open the purchase list. Click on a purchase entry to view its details. Review information such as supplier information, purchase status, product list with SKU, product name, batch, quantity, buying price, selling price, subtotal, and note. Cancel purchase. Canceling a purchase is useful for purchases that are no longer required or have been invalidated. Steps to cancel a purchase. Go to the purchase list. Locate the purchase you want to cancel. Click the Cancel button and provide a reason. Optional. The purchase status will be updated to canceled. Receive purchase. Marking a purchase as received allows you to update the inventory with the products you've received. Steps to receive a purchase. Locate the purchase in the purchase list. Click the Receive button. Now it will show you the details of the purchase. Confirm the products and quantities received. You can make adjustments if necessary. Then click on the Receive button to update the inventory stocks. Delete purchase. You can delete purchases that are no longer needed or that you have created mistakenly. Deleted purchases move to the trash list for recovery or permanent deletion. Steps to delete a purchase. Open the purchase list. Select the purchase to delete and click the Delete button. Confirm the deletion in the pop-up dialog. Then it will be moved to the trash list. Filter purchases. Filtering helps you quickly find purchases based on specific criteria, like purchase number, warehouse, or supplier. Trash list management. The trash list contains deleted purchases that can be restored or permanently removed. Navigate to the trash list in the Purchase Management section. Restore a purchase. Find the purchase you want to restore. Click the Restore button. The purchase will return to the purchase list. Delete permanently. Select the purchase in the trash list. Click the Delete Permanently button. Confirm the action.